Today, I will go through how to run the WatcherAI image analysis in CaseGuard. The AI image analysis function in the Watcher identifies and redacts personal identifiable information in a document using AI on multiple documents. If you have images in any of your documents, this will be a great way to redact them. With your Watcher named, file locations chosen, and operation dropdown set to Redact Document, click the Add button. The Redact Document operation checklist will appear. Check the Perform AI Image Analysis checkbox. You should now see a Redact dropdown with options similar to the AI video redaction options. You can select all or specific options depending on what you want redacted. I will select faces/heads and license plates. Now I will click Apply and then Save. The Watcher should now appear in your Watcher tab. As you can see here, we have 0 files in our watch folder, so let's add some. If we open both the watch and output folders side by side, we can see how it processes. I'm going to add 3 files to the watch folder. Now you can see the Watcher recognizes there are 3 files to process and begins processing them. The original file is moved to the processed folder. Files added to the watch folder are processed and exported to the output folder. Now if we open the exported files in the output folder, we can see the AI image redactions were applied. Hope this helps.